Hello folks, this is Barefoot Grandpa and Roxy. Roxy's getting some cheese treats and enjoying the evening here in Ventura. And I'm going to have one too, Roxy. These are good. Mm. So, another product review from Barefoot Grandpa. This one's a little bit different than normal. Jennifer at Watt Cycle Company contacted me and asked if I'd be interested in testing out one of their pretty good heavy duty deep cycle lithium ion batteries. And this is more than what I need for my solar in my truck, but it's going to fit perfectly at our cabin up in the mountains. So in a second here, we will start with an open box and see what's up. Open box, we're going to test this out and see how it goes. And right now I'm going to make sure I'm filming. Yes, we are. Okay. Well, you may notice in the back that my big ash tree is down on the ground. It was a long time decision to take that out. Tree was just getting too big and a little bit too unhealthy for the yard. So are your life changes? I got a lot of firewood coming out of that tree. So here we go. Open box. Let's see what we've got from Watt Cycle. Been seeing quite a few ads for these guys now on Facebook and Instagram, and the reviews have been really good. So I'm kind of excited about this. Here we go. Yeah, we got a manual. Nice. And okay, here it comes. I'm gonna have to move this back a little bit. It's lighter than a. Oh, that thing's heavy. There we go. Okay, definitely lighter than a lead acid battery, but still got some weight to it. Okay, so we've got a 12 volt, 280 amp hour mini lithium ion battery. Thing's pretty awesome. Clean, got nice handles on it. Here's the positive and the negative terminals. Got adapter plugs for the terminal and size. Okay, we are 13 inches by 7.5. And this thing is pretty much half the size and half the weight, or maybe even more than half the weight of the big lead acid battery deep cycle that we have at the cabin now. So this thing is going to replace that. I'm quite excited about it. Still weighs a fair amount. It weighs maybe 20 pounds. Not too bad picking it up here. It was a little hard to get it out of the box. What else we got here? Okay, I don't know a whole lot about electricity, so I'm not gonna try and explain all of the good stuff about this, but what I do know is these last a whole lot longer. These can go up to 10 years, where a lead acid may just last 4 or 5. And it charges down or discharges down to a very low percent. Oh gosh, don't quote me, but maybe 10% or so it will discharge to, and then recharge back up with the solar, or whatever battery charger you've got, where a lead acid battery drops to maybe 50%. So you've got a lot more capacity in these lead lithium ion batteries than you do with any lead battery. So that's the exciting thing about it. Plus, they last forever. We won't really mention what I did to 2 of the smaller batteries that I've got in the camper. Turns out there was a pretty good mistake that cost me 2 batteries, but the mistake was my own. So we'll have good help when we install this at the cabin. We'll have 200 watts of solar coming into this, changing our lights out to 12 volt LEDs, and we'll be able to have lights in our cabin. So Jennifer and the folks at Watt Cycle, I'm excited. Once we get this up to the cabin, we'll show you how and where it's going to work, and how we've moved from gas lights to electric lights in our off-grid cabin in the Sierras. So that's it for Watt Cycle tonight. Roxy, some more cheeses? Huh? Here you go. Here you go. Yeah. 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 Your high five. 10. High 10. High 10. Yeah, there we go. There we go. So that's it for tonight for Barefoot Grandpa. Be good humans. Enjoy the wild. Learn stuff about electricity, which I am starting to. This is pretty cool stuff. And take care of this wonderful world in which we live.